JavaScript variables can hold many data types, including numbers, strings, arrays, and objects. On this slide, we can see that the first variable, age, contains a single numerical value, 16. The second variable, last name, stores a string, Johnson. The variable cars stores multiple strings. This is known as an array. We'll explore arrays in more detail later in this course. The last variable, person, is an object. Object variables also store multiple values, but each value is relevant to an assigned property. For this reason, each name and value in an object is referred to as a single property. In this case, first name John is our first property of the object person. Don't worry if you find this confusing. We'll work with objects later in this course.